Tropical rainforests. These episodes often showcase the lush and vibrant environments of tropical rainforests, such as the Amazon. The canopy is home to a myriad of species, including colorful birds like toucans, primates like howler monkeys and capuchins, as well as a vast array of insects and amphibians. Special attention might be given to elusive and endangered species like jaguars and tree-dwelling creatures like tree frogs. Temperate forests. In temperate forests, the focus might shift to regions like North America or Europe. Animals such as bears, deer, wolves, and various bird species are commonly featured. These episodes might explore the changing seasons and how wildlife adapts to the fluctuations in temperature and food availability. Boreal forests. Boreal forests, found in the northern hemisphere, are characterized by coniferous trees. Wolves, lynxes, moose, and snowshoe hares are some of the species that thrive in these environments. The documentary might highlight the challenges of survival in harsh winter conditions and the strategies animals use to navigate through the snow-covered landscapes. Deciduous forests. Deciduous forests, with their seasonal changes, may feature animals like squirrels, deer, and a variety of bird species. The episodes may explore how animals adapt to the changing availability of food and shelter. These documentaries often provide not only stunning visuals, but also valuable insights into the interconnected web of life within forest ecosystems. They emphasize the importance of preserving these habitats to maintain biodiversity and ecological balance.